Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change miner fee in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, go to the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you will find various options here. Choose the miner fee option. Now, you can set it to 4 levels. The higher is 50 sats per VB, and the high is 20, and normal is 10, and low is 5. You can set it as your liking. So that is how you can change miner fee in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.